Welcome, friend. Today we continue to talk about the key advantages of installing home energy storage solutions. Home energy storage solutions, such as batteries and other energy storage systems, offer numerous benefits for homeowners. These innovative technologies are revolutionizing the way we consume and manage energy, providing homeowners with greater control, efficiency, and sustainability. Renewable energy sources, such as solar panels, often generate excess energy that is fed back into the grid. However, with home energy storage systems, homeowners can capture and store this excess energy for later use. This integration with renewable energy sources enables homeowners to maximize their use of clean energy, reduce their carbon footprint, and contribute to a more sustainable future. Following are the top 5 key advantages we have covered in earlier videos. Thanks for watching.